All right, guys. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 7.1, part 3. Again, you did this yesterday with Mr. Lavarchik, but guys, here we are. We're checking to see if ordered pairs are solutions. Okay. We are checking. That's some bad handwriting. Checking to see if ordered pairs X, Y ordered pairs are solutions to a given system of equations. Okay? So that's kind of the what. That's the what are we doing. Okay? How? Okay? How are we going to do that? Okay? Plug X and Y into both equations to confirm it works. It being the point or the ordered pair. Okay? So, an example of this, okay? I'm going to do two examples with the same system here. So, example. Let's have the system be y equals negative 7x. Actually, let me back up for a second. Let's say given. So we are given system. Given y equals negative 7x plus 12. And y equals negative 6x plus 10. That's our system. Here's part A. Let's check the point. Let's see if 1, 4 is 1, 4 a solution. Okay. Is 1, 4 a solution? Sorry guys, I gotta zoom a little here, do some scrolling. Alright. So how are we gonna check this? Again, we said we're gonna plug both X and Y. We're going to plug X and Y into both equations. So let's start with this equation. Y equals, let's start with negative 6x plus 10. And we're going to substitute in X and Y. So for Y, we're substituting 4. For X, we're substituting 1. So I took my ordered pair, 1, 4. I plugged them in for X and Y respectively. Okay? When you substitute, guys, get in that habit of using parentheses here. So guys, 4 equals, well, negative 6 plus 10. Well, yeah, guys, 4 equals 4. So it works for that equation. We did say we need to check both equations. Let's make sure it works for the second equation, negative 7x plus 12. So again, substituting 4 for y and 1 for x. Is this statement true? Does 4 equal negative 7 plus 12? Does 4 equal 5? No. Okay, that's not true. So this point, it was a solution for one equation, but not the other. So this is not a solution. This 0.14 is not a solution. Okay? Guys, using that same system, those same two equations, let's check. So this will be part B. Let's see, what about the point 2, negative 2? Let's see if this is a solution. Okay, how could we check that? All right, so again, you're just plugging into both equations. So that first equation, negative 6x plus 10. Let's substitute 2, or negative 2 gets substituted for y. 2 is substituted for x. So this is saying negative 2 equals negative 12 plus 10. Yeah, negative 2 is negative 2. Just like last problem, hey, we need to check the other equation. Is it true for negative 7x plus 12? Okay, so again, y is negative 2 equals negative 7. Substitute 2 for x. So negative 2 equals negative 14 plus 12. Yeah, negative 2 equals negative 2. So, guys, because this one satisfies, this point satisfies both of your equations, we say yes. It is a solution. Okay? So, no, it wouldn't satisfy both equations. Yes, the point satisfies both equations. Okay? It's not always, let's do one more example here. Guys, it's not always going to be the case that the equations are written quite so nicely. So, or, you know, with y equals, just like when we graph and things like that. Guys, what if we had this system? So given, what if we had this system, x plus y equals 5, 4x plus 3y equals 12. Okay. Let's check. Is 2, 3 a solution? Okay. Well, for that first equation, certainly substitute in 2 for x, 3 for y. Guys, 2 plus 3 is 5, so yes. For the first equation, we got to check both. So 4x plus 3y equals 12. So 4 times x is 2. Y is 3. So 8 plus 9. Is that equal to 12? No. 17 does not equal 12. So not a solution here. Okay, so even if you don't have the y equals equations like we did last time, guys, you can still plug it into x and y. Okay, simply plugging into both equations. All right, not a solution. Well, maybe a last practice problem for you guys. I'll leave it to you. I think you guys should get this at this point. You're just plugging x and y in. So is negative 3, 8 a solution? Okay, you guys can pause and practice. I've got that assignment there for you as well. Guys, make sure you're watching these videos. Make sure you're uploading your work. Okay, I've had to ding for some partial credit a handful of times already this semester. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful afternoon.